Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gel X Kit is probably one of the most sought-after nail solutions for achieving professional-looking manicures at home, offering convenience, durability, and stunning results. This kit empowers you to create salon-quality nails without the salon price tag, saving you money and time while still enjoying beautiful, long-lasting nail art. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of the Beetles Gel X Nail Kit, exploring its features, application process, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your at-home nail care needs. Number 5. Beetles Gel Nail Kit. This kit has everything you need for beautiful, long-lasting nails. It includes 500 nail tips, 5-in-1 nail glue gel, and a revolutionary UV lamp. The smart lamp turns on when you insert your nail and off when you remove it. It's portable and cures your nails in just 60 seconds. This versatile glue gel works as an adhesive, base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. It's truly multifunctional. These high-quality nail tips are comfortable and durable. The 500 tips come in 10 sizes to perfectly fit each finger. Extend your nails in minutes and enjoy them for over 21 days. The upgraded formula ensures strong, break-resistant results. What we like? It has a revolutionary smart lamp that automatically turns on and off, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a complete kit with tons of tips and versatile glue, this is the one for you. This kit is perfect for beginners and experienced nail artists alike, offering convenience and professional results. What people say? The Beetles glue is the best, hands down. I've tried all the major ones, even super glue, and the UV LED Beetles is queen. Lasts 2 weeks-ish for me, but with the occasional pop-off. They're most similar to Markart's press-on full-coverage nail tips. Thick and strong, but still a bit flexible-ish unless you crease them down the middle. Nails are nice, glue is really strong, little UV light is great, does the job. Number 4. Beetles Gel Nail Kit. It has a unique inner frosted texture for a stronger grip and better fit. You can apply it directly without any filing, saving you time and effort. Enjoy long-lasting, beautiful nails for up to 28 days. This kit includes a UV LED lamp, 7.5 milliliters of nail gel, and 504 pre-filed nail tips. It's the quickest and easiest way to get professional-looking nails at home. Get ready to enjoy the fun of DIY manicures. The included nail glue isn't just for adhesion, it also works as a base gel, blooming gel, rhinestone glue, and slip solution. It's incredibly versatile and easy to use. It's perfect for clear nail tips. Get salon-quality results in just 3 minutes. The specialized formula provides superior strength and durability, keeping your nails looking perfect for over 28 days. It's the ultimate in long-lasting nail enhancement. The portable lamp is compatible with all brands of base coats, top coats, and nail gels. You have complete freedom to use your favorite colors and designs. Create endless possibilities for your nail art. What we like? The pre-shaped tips eliminate the need for filing, saving you valuable time and effort. If you value convenience and a long-lasting manicure, this is the kit for you. It's ideal for busy individuals who want salon-quality results without the salon time. What people say? Beetles glue is the best, hands down. I've tried all the major ones, even super glue, and the UV LED Beetles is queen. Lasts 2 weeks-ish for me, but with the occasional pop-off. They're most similar to Markart's press-on full-coverage nail tips. Thick and strong, but still a bit flexible-ish unless you crease them down the middle. Nails are nice, glue is really strong, little UV light is great, does the job. Number 3. Beetles Gel Polish Kit. This kit has everything you need for a perfect gel manicure at home. It's easy to use and creates a long-lasting, salon-quality finish. The powerful LED lamp cures your gel polish quickly and efficiently, saving you time. Enjoy a professional-looking manicure in minutes. This kit includes 6 beautiful, on-trend colors perfect for any occasion. They're subtle enough for everyday wear, yet sophisticated for special events. The kit's simple design makes it easy to follow the instructions, even if you're a beginner. You'll be creating stunning manicures in no time. It's the ideal gift for women who love to pamper themselves or those who appreciate a touch of luxury. Give the gift of beautiful nails. When you're ready for a change, it's easy to remove. Simply soak it off, and your nails will be ready for your next beautiful manicure. What we like. This kit offers a variety of trendy nude and pink shades to suit your style. If you prefer gel polish and want a powerful lamp for quick curing, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who like to experiment with different colors and create stylish manicures at home. What people say. It is so fun to have so many color choices included in one product, including dressy holiday colors of sparkly red and green. I can easily get 2.5 to 3 weeks out of my at-home gel manicures, and get many compliments with each color choice. The kit includes base and top coat gel polishes as well as many color choices. The directions provided were very user-friendly and the materials were also very easy to use. I am very pleased with my purchase. The base and top coat are unmatched at this price point. Top coat lasts about 3 to 4 weeks looking shiny and new, and I am super hard on my nails. The colors look great, they're a super versatile selection that I use to change my color multiple times a month. Number 2. Beetles Gel Nail Tips. These aren't your average fake nails. They're designed for a long-lasting, natural-looking manicure, perfect for any occasion. Made from high-quality PMMA, they're breathable, lightweight, and durable. Plus, they're made with 9 safe ingredients, so you can feel good about using them. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes. It's quick, easy, and perfect for DIY manicures at home. These tips are super strong and designed to last for over 21 days. Enjoy a flawless manicure for weeks. With 500 tips in 10 different sizes, you'll find the perfect fit for each finger. They're clearly numbered for easy selection. Use them with gel polish, acrylics, or dip powder, the possibilities are endless. They're great for both salon professionals and at-home DIY enthusiasts. What we like. It offers a wide variety of sizes in a classic almond shape. If you love almond nails and want a durable, long-lasting manicure, this is the perfect option. It's ideal for those who want a natural look with great staying power. What people say. They're sturdy, flexible, and give that perfect salon-quality look. Super easy to apply, and they blend seamlessly with my natural nails. The application process is so smooth and easy, making it ideal even for a novice. The glue doesn't cause any irritation, and it's incredibly durable. My sets stay on for several weeks until intentional removal. They were resilient even during that. I haven't chipped or broken any. Number 1. Beetles Gel Nail Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional-looking manicure at home. It's quick, easy, and fun. You get a UV LED lamp, nail gel, 240 pre-shaped nail tips, a nail file, and a nail clipper. Everything is included for a complete manicure. The multifunctional gel acts as a base coat, making application simple and efficient. It's formulated with 9 healthy ingredients for a low-odor experience. Extend your nails in just 3 minutes and enjoy them for over 21 days. The gel's formula provides superior strength and prevents breakage. The portable lamp cures all brands of gel polish, giving you the freedom to use your favorite colors. It's large enough for both fingernails and toenails. The 240 high-quality ABS tips are breathable, lightweight, and durable. With 10 sizes, you'll find the perfect fit for every finger. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a professional-looking manicure, including a lamp, glue, and tips. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit with all the essentials, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and easy way to create beautiful nails at home. What people say. They stay on for at least 2 weeks without popping off. They are really easy to remove if you make a mistake or just wanted to wear them for a special event. Stayed on for weeks. Everything worked perfectly. I wanted to take my nails off after a few days, due to how I painted them, and it was hard. I didn't have the supplies for a soak-off, so that's a different story. That glue was holding on for dear life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.